Good evening, everyone. Today, in our episode of Women Empower Women series, we are going to talk to Gunjan Vijaya. She's an actor, and let me introduce and tell you. And of course, once she is live with us, she will explain her journey and how she became an actor, the struggles, the successes. She has been on one of the top TV series of its time, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी and बेइंतहा, and she's a very popular face and just waiting for her to come online. If you would like to know anything about her life, any questions for her, please feel free to drop it in the comment section and we'll take it up one by one as we can during our conversation. Also, would like to share that we've launched a festive collection today. You can find it on our Facebook and Instagram pages. Very fresh designs coming from Theascape. So grab them till it lasts. Just waiting for Gunjan to come online. Hi Gunjan, I see you, so I'll just add you. Just give me 1 minute.
Hello.
Hi. Hello. Hi Gunjan. Thank you so much.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Thank you. I'm very good. Enjoying
And
the
looking hot.
semi-lockdown. Thank you.
Looking hot as
Beautiful.
always.
So are you, and I think you're wearing your entire Theascape collection. Is
Yes,
it?
I am. So Gunjan,
Lovely,
first of
lovely.
all, thank you so much for coming in conversation with us today. This is our Women Empower Women series that we are doing, and thank you so much for accepting our request and coming online with us today. We are very thrilled to have you, and we are going to really know a lot about you today. So let's start. There are a lot of people who have joined us on our live. So first of all, I've given you a brief introduction, but why don't you share a few lines about who you really are and something about yourself?
Okay, so I am known as Gunjan Vijaya, and I was born and brought up in Calcutta, and I moved to this lovely city to become an actor at a very, very tender age of 9. And I basically just became an actor because my entire life in my house, everybody called me a Nautanki. My friends called me a Nautanki. I was called a Dramebag. And just out of the blue, somebody once just met me and she said, "Oh, you're very pretty. You need to become an actor." So I said, "I don't know people in Bombay, It's like, I know. If you want to go and really try it, I will help you." And she did. And she really helped me. And here I am. 15.5 years later, I refuse to leave this country.
Yeah.
And I
So,
started my career with a
yeah.
I started my career as an I started modeling at 16 and then I became an
Okay.
actor at 19. So yeah.
Wow. Wow. I mean, it's definitely, not easy to, start so young. I'm sure, you had your share of struggles and we'll come to that. But how did you really think
Yeah.
about getting into an actor's profession, what was the motivation behind it? I know that, it wasn't something that you had planned, but what was the real motivation behind it?
No, not really. I think I had it kind of, planned, though, see, actually, God works in mysterious ways, like they say, it's true. Like, I really was, and you met me in class 11 and 12, but there are people who were with me in since junior, like, and they knew I was
Yes.
this a tomboy with such big chashmas like all the time, plaited hair. I used to wear t-shirts borrowed from my cousins and cycling shorts, those shiny cycling shorts. That was me. From that to suddenly, my best friend grooming me and teaching me how to do makeup and all, to doing actually, clicking pictures on a New Year's night for time pass, like wearing her set of clothes. And those pictures, an uncle of mine, he saw and he said, I think you need to try modeling. So I think in my life, everybody else has come and told me, you need to try this, and it kind of worked for me. So yeah, I did it. And then the minute this Bombay offer came, I was like, why not? Like, you how your
Yeah.
blood is when you're 19 years old, like, you want to try everything. And I got my tickets done, and I was like, yeah, okay, I'm going. And I was here.
Awesome,
Yeah.
awesome. I mean, a lot of courage also, Gunjan, at that young age. And, most of us are just thinking about, oh my God, अच्छा, अभी ये book पढ़नी है और वो book पढ़नी है. But you were like, okay, man, let's do it.
I think you
So,
remember very well now, like in school. I mean, I was the most talked about, even like by some of the teachers because of my modeling and all of that, So I don't know. I see, the thing is, since I've been a child, I've followed this thing in my own head, and I've been like, I am not born to fit in anywhere, I'm born to stand out. So I will do everything which is not expected out of me, or which you think,
right.
uh, are you sure, like, she can do it, or girl from such a family can do it? Are you understanding? So, and then, yeah, I have lovely parents. I have lovely parents who've been my backbone throughout, and I can't reach anywhere in life without their support, and my dear brother, of course. And there are more people who I will mention, so on and so forth, as we go into the interview. So I'm very
So we
talkative. I
have
know
a
this now.
comment, lots of comments coming in. Few of your friends are quite happy to see you live. And Mikhala says that you were drop dead gorgeous even in uniform, a lady, while the rest of us were still trying to get our ponytails right. So I totally agree
Yeah,
with her.
I mean, 11, 12, a very fashionable place, with wearing those 10 rings and wearing those thin bangles and putting nail polish in front of the teachers. I think I've done it all. I actually have. Yeah, I've been a very
I in
naughty.
particular remember, so just to share with people who are watching, we have been schoolmates and we've, at one point in time been friends. We are friends even now,
We go back
but
13 years now.
but school
We
is
go back
school
13
and you
years.
kind of, yeah, and school is school and those moments are absolutely cherished. So I remember one incident where you know we had these nice skirts, uniform skirts, and the hem. So you would you would get them as short as you
Uh,
could.
I hope none of the teachers see this, like, because I mean, they are on my Facebook.
No, no, I'm just
We
kidding.
had a
I
very
remember
sweet
that part and
teacher.
I thought, oh my God, हाँ मेरी भी स्कर्ट यार थोड़ी ऊपर तो होनी चाहिए. But yeah,
मैंने
so
स्कूल में कभी भी 4 इंच नीचे स्कर्ट नहीं पहनी है। मेरा रूल था, मेरी स्कर्ट 4 इंच ऊपर होगी। एक हमारी बहुत प्यारी टीचर थी, वो मेरी हेमिंग खोलती थी। मैं अगले दिन जाके अपनी दादी को बोलती थी, इसको और 4 इंच छोटा करो, बिकॉज उन्होंने पूरे स्कूल के सामने मेरी बेइज्जती करी है। And then I made sure that everybody folded their shirts like this. Ties were loosened, and I was like, कर लो तुम्हें जो करना है, मैं तो नहीं निकलने वाली स्कूल से, मैं ऐसे ही रहने वाली हूँ। Sorry.
I swear. And Meg says that Divya was the prefect while we were the messers. I swear. I
पूरी
would always be covering up for you guys.
everybody was a friend, We had everybody who was a friend in the school, this
In
thing.
the student
So
council, we had
exactly,
Rashi,
we
we
were
had so
kind of,
many other people.
yeah, we were
I
really
mean,
saved.
so not to digress, I mean, we will always,
Yeah, we can keep talking.
come back to school, but not to digress. So yes, so you just wanted to be an out example, for yourself more than anybody. So that's great. Gunjan, tell me something. Like nowadays, due to the pandemic and due to the situation that we all are in, we are hearing a lot of actors, especially actors from the TV industry, losing lives, committing suicide, and it's very tough, right? How was it for you, and did you face any kind of struggle to come to where you are today and what you've achieved? So, was there any bit of struggle? How did you deal with it?
See, struggle exists in every profession, in every day of your life. If we think that, okay, any human can escape this, it's not happening. Okay, it can be on a smaller level, it can be on a larger level, but you have to go through something called life, right?
Yeah.
So, see, initially when I had come here, that young blood was there. So it was much easier, and I was always very street smart and all of that. I mean, for me, it was very easy. But as years passed by, I mean, obviously, I had to deal with a lot of things that a lot of other people have to deal with, like, I mean, whatever was going on in my industry, yeah, the Me Too movement or whatever. So there were things like that, and it would get on to me because there were times where it's happened with me. Like I have a fair face, okay? I have big eyes. So initially they would refuse to give me main lead roles because they were like, you don't look very girl next door. Like you look very high maintenance or whatever. So they shut those doors where I could actually think of being a main lead. I said, okay, fine, forget it. Maybe let me try other character roles and all. I started with that and all. Then over a period of time, I mean, I was like typecasted into being a vamp only because of my eyes, and I had to keep doing that. And then when I did my last TV show, Beintaha, during that show, I mean, my co-stars, again, my co-stars, my director, my producer, they made me realize that, you know what, I'm actually made for bigger things. And that's when I started working on myself, and I said, okay, I'm going to try to get into films. And I'm still struggling to do that because for whatever reasons. I mean, it's tough. But I am my biggest critic. Okay, I am my biggest best friend, and that's how I've molded myself. That I don't need anybody else to push me or do anything. And if supposing, the world crumbles, I will be like, "Haan, theek hai, I'll cry." But then I know how to pick myself up the next day and start moving on. That's how I am.
That's not easy,
That's
Gunjan.
that,
Like most of the people, yeah, and that's not easy at all. Though you make it sound very, very easy, I'm sure it
and I
is.
live alone.
It
I
takes a lot
live
of
alone.
courage. Yeah, it takes
I
a
live
lot of
alone.
courage,
So
a lot of conviction to, really put yourself into getting to do things on your own, not getting affected by any kind of negativity around you. That's quite incredible, actually, and it's really fascinating to how you've really not, I would not say survived, but I think made your way in an industry which is um, difficult, as they say, for an outsider, right? It's very
yeah.
difficult for an outsider. So kudos to you. I mean, you are an inspiration to a lot of people too, and we, as your friends, also we know how we were fascinated when you used to tell us all that you were doing. So, eh,
Yeah.
I think there's a lot of courage behind your story. There's a lot of the guts that you took. So I think great. This brings me to the next question. Um, you have had your considerable share of success, right? And we know that at that point in time when you got roles such as in Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi and serials like Be-Intaha, these were prime time shows. And I mean, heavy TRPs for these shows at that point in time. So tell us something about that period where the success had come to you, and how did you feel? How did you take your success?
So, I mean, more than success, it's, firstly, it's recognition. So the first time ever that I did a show on Sahara One called Hari Kaach Ki Chudiya. That's how my career took off. So, once I finished, or while doing Hari Kaach Ki Chudiya, I went back to Calcutta to visit my parents, and we were roaming around in this market. And I remember there were these two ladies, my mother and I, we were shopping and we were picking up something, and these ladies were constantly, trying to look at my face. They kept doing this. So my mother just couldn't resist. She went up to them and she's like, हाँ हाँ ये वही है जो टीवी में आती है. I was like, why would you do that to me? But yeah, obviously a proud moment. And she's like, because you're my daughter. So that happened. And during Kyuki, I mean, it was the biggest show like anybody could ever dream of. I'm going to
Yes.
digress a little. My story with Kyuki is when I was a little child, I used to watch Kyuki and I used to enact Smriti ma'am in front of the mirror because my grandmother would keep falling asleep because of her age on her chair. So every time, she would just wake up, kya hua? So I would enact Smriti ma'am and say ki aisa aisa unhone kiya, we've seen it. And then to be a part of that show so many years later, for me it was like, oh my God, where it was surreal. It was surreal, So, and then everywhere we went, people would like autograph de do. We were sitting and eating. तो तब इतने अच्छे कैमरा वाले फोन्स नहीं होते थे, बट जो होते थे वो लेते थे. ऑटोग्राफ बांटने में मतलब ऐसा लगता था कि कौन सा वाला जी करेक्ट है, व्हाट हाउ शुड आई टाइप. दो अगेन I have some diaries from my childhood. I think I've gone and practiced my signature for what joy when I was a child. I don't know, and it matches my signature now. So I think I know this power. I always believed it, yeah. So yeah, and during daytime, I mean, who doesn't like success? But with that success, I mean, there comes a lot of trolling because people don't like something about you or who you're dating. Or it goes hand in hand, and don't let the success get to you, and don't let this or the other part also get to you, because you will not be able to survive in this industry. I don't care what people think about me. I live my life how I want to. Whether I'm seen somewhere, not seen somewhere, doesn't make a difference to me. I'm here to do acting, and that's what my priority is. The world doesn't bother me. And there, so I mean, for me, I mean, it's a balance.
Nice, very nice. And how has the situation now impacted your industry? COVID is here for some more time, and we all have got impacted. Any industry you name, is facing some or the other kind of crisis right now. How has this impacted your industry, and how difficult is it for artists to survive right now?
It is very, very difficult. I mean, see, firstly, I mean, children were not allowed to work. I mean, we don't know if some children were only running their houses, in certain setups, like in the sense child actors, okay? Olders, as in people above 65, weren't allowed to work, but now I think they've given some kind of leeway to that, like to
Relaxation.
people to work. And what do you call? Um and plus the problem is when you start working on a television show, um, it's a lengthy process by the time we get to the payments.
Hmm.
So survival any which way is difficult in a city like this and in this profession. And to top it now, I mean, there is no problem now. So it is, and I mean, there are too many actors now. It's a profession which is attracting a lot of people. So we have a lot of actors, but unfortunately now we don't have a lot of jobs. So and mentally, people come from outside, so not everybody is used to the idea of being by themselves. So with the whole financial strain and not being able to meet people on a regular life and to kind of keep telling yourself what you need to do to keep yourself going, that's also tough. So, I mean, we've seen and heard a lot of people passing away because of that. It's been sad, and I mean, I don't know how long it will take because I'm also looking for a job desperately, everything, but nothing.
Yeah, yeah. It,
But
it
it
is
will
a
come.
tough
I
time.
mean, so you have to wait. You have to wait and see
So
what
how
happens. I mean,
how
that
do
you
this
can't
how
do.
does this how does this fraternity support each other? Uh, are they very supportive? Do you see a lot of support in terms of just being in touch, and how because this time must be very difficult for a lot of people. So how is that?
It's a very, see, honestly, it's a very busy life. Even during COVID, I mean, nobody was sitting free. I mean, come to think of it, I mean,
Okay.
the women were spending their time in the kitchen, and I can't expect anyone to keep in touch with anyone. We have I mean, if I want, I have friends who will help me out and all, but I am somebody who doesn't. I don't need somebody else to comfort me or to, to take care of me. I'm a very independent person, and I've not asked the fraternity for any help. Of course, they do help. I mean, I see other people post and all. They are very helpful. People have lots of actor friends, but I just have very less friends now, and I'm happy about it. I'm at peace being my own best friend somehow.
Nice.
So,
So I'm going to come back to this on how you really be yourself. But before that, um, uh, tell us something about even though you have a very difficult lifestyle, very demanding. Okay, how do you keep yourself so channelized, so focused? Because I see a lot of yoga posts, that you do. And a lot of meditation. So, how does that keep you channelized? Does that keep you very focused? Does that keep you,
completely.
yeah? So, how has that? How did you
I am
come to it,
self-certified.
yoga? Because
I am a
that's something
self-certified.
I would not relate
Sorry.
with you. So, how did you get into yoga?
Yeah, because everybody's known me to be this hyper person in life, but uh, um, yoga and me met back when I was 22 or 23 years old. I was this really golu molu person, and I very nicely put on weight because I was doing two, three shows at that point of time. I was doing Kyuki, I was doing Kesar, I was doing something else at that point of time. I was in love and I didn't care. I just didn't care. So I would eat on the set, I would eat whatever the hell I wanted. And then suddenly, one day, at 23, I was looking like I was 35 years old. And then I was like, I don't like going to the gym. I mean, I never used to like going to the gym earlier. Somehow I met this yoga teacher. That lady, the way she's transformed my life, like it's unbelievable. Whatever she taught me, like say 10, 12 years back, has helped my body even now. And now for the last couple of years, I have become an addict to yoga. Firstly, because we don't age. I don't believe in going and doing a lot of things on your face and body. I'd rather do a lot of yoga and पसीने से जितने wrinkles ना आए या I believe in natural remedies for everything. Like skin को glow करना है, I mean I drink water all day long, So for me, it's about doing the right thing, which we all know what is right, like for our body, for our soul. And then I've gotten a lot into spirituality, and it just helped me discover me more. So more than body, it helps the mind and the soul, and to just understand Gunjan as a person. So now the focus on work is much much more.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. So, so Rashi is saying that she cooks too. So tell us something about that. What are you cooking these days?
What am I cooking these days? I cook everything which is vegetarian, and I love experimenting with flavors. So if there's a certain kind of recipe, I will add my own twist to it. And the kitchen actually is my happy place. And I do make very good food because all my friends who come to my house always come bhuka and they tell me, please cook for us. So I know कि मैं अच्छा खाना बनाती हूँ. Yeah, but it's stressing for me. It's very de-stressing.
So there's so many people, who aspire to become an actor. It is fascinating, right? So, what is your message to them? What do you keep in mind while taking this profession up seriously?
You have to be very determined. You Everybody will tell you, give you age factors. Like I'm told a lot of times, I'm turning 35 in 2, 3 months, and they're like, शादी कर लो, सेटल हो जाओ, क्या करोगे, कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, like you know, my industry people also, I have friends who were friends rather. So you cannot listen to anyone. Okay, you need to know what you want, and you will have to struggle. If unless I mean you are really lucky and like I believe that God has written a destiny in which there is no struggle, then maybe. And you have to be very strong because we know what comes with my industry. Okay, so I mean there is a little bit of dirtiness, like I would call it, little bit in some places. So I'm hoping and praying now after the movie it has gone down, or you know, and I've not been approached in a bad manner or something. But uh, there are pretty people. So you have to be smart, you have to be independent, you have to be strong. I mean, I learned how to swear after coming here. To survive, I became this girl that I swear, and I swear like a man. Like, you know, so, I mean, you learn these things, but I mean, स्ट्रॉन्ग बनकर रहो और माँ बाप का साथ चाहिए, बिकॉज ऐसे वरना सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाएंगे.
Right,
And you need
right,
to
right.
dream not just life. Nobody is guaranteed a tomorrow, right? We don't know if we're going to wake up tomorrow. So why not fulfill what we want to do rather than regret one day I did like बुढ़ा होके oh I didn't do this. No, try it. फेल हो गए तो हो गए यार, कोई बात नहीं, चलता है.
I agree. I agree. Absolutely. Awesome. And tell me more about the kind of roles that you would like to do, or if you've thought about the kind of work that you want to do in future. Have you thought about that?
I have of late realized I'm a very good comedian, like, and I'm like a sarcastic comedian, okay? And my dear friend Rashi will agree with me because every day I am taking her case or doing something. I make a lot of people laugh. So in this time sitting in the house during COVID, I've realized, yeah, why not? This is something I can do, like comedy or stand-up comedy or whatever. And apart from that, I know I'm pretty. I know I'm pretty, but I
We
want to
also
do
know
roles
you
where I
are
don't look,
pretty.
you know, where I don't look pretty, where I'm a girl next door, or you know, just some. Like I don't want to look like Gunjan. Like, are you understanding? I want to be an actress. I just don't want to be a heroine. Funny.
Huh. Right,
Different roles, people should be like, no, no, this can't be Gunjan. Oh my God, is this Gunjan? Like that. Because all these
right,
15 years of my life, everybody has seen Gunjan with dark eyes, rolling her eyes, wearing pretty suits or wearing pretty outfits. But that's not me as an actor. There is a lot
right,
more. So I
right,
want people to see that you know that nobody's seen that. So yeah.
right,
And
right,
I can
right.
do a lot because I really worked on myself now. So yeah.
Awesome, awesome. I just hope we get to see you in different avatars and the kinds that you would really love to do. Uh, Also, Gunjan, tell me something about how was it? Because you started off at 16 and then at 19 you moved to Mumbai. How did you cope with a life without your parents and your brother? How was that?
It was very tough. So nobody knows this. Uh, I had moved to Bombay with 18,000 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
Coming here, finding a job, and I don't come from a very well-to-do family. I come from a middle-class family, and I moved here, and my parents and I, we were in like in financially such a bad state that my mother and I, we had to kind of book calls in the sense, if she's called me today, 2 days later I would call her, so that because incoming and outgoing both was charged 15 years back.
Right.
So not being able to talk to your mom. I mean, I am used to talking to my mom like 5 times a day. Now, of course, I talk to her 50 times in a day, but can't talk to your mom. Bombay is a very fast city, but you don't understand. मतलब सुबह कब हुई, रात कब हुई, you don't understand how this city works. Distances are far. Houses, like when you first move here, coming from Calcutta from a 4 bedroom hall, 2,000 square feet house, to a really small, cramped up space, and you're like, why would I leave my achha khasa ghar and come here? But getting my first show in 3 months made it all worth
Yeah, all
my
worth
while,
it.
because you do not get lucky and you don't get a show in 3 months of landing here. I mean, I have cried myself to sleep. I have done all of it. Like, when you feel lonely, you want to give up. I mean, you're lying on, you're just miserable. But my thing was, so basically, this person who helped me come to Bombay, she told me, okay, go meet this and this person who's a very dear friend of mine now, Ravi Bahel. So I met Ravi, and then about 6 months later, I came to Bombay. So before leaving for Bombay, my father didn't know I was coming to Bombay. I just sat him down one day and I said, Dad, I'm going to Bombay. He's like, for what? I said, I want to become an actress. He said, when are you going? I said, a week later. He's like, excuse me? I said, yeah, I'm going. Tickets done. Are you going to stay 14? He said, ciao, all the best. If you're not successful, our doors are always open. You can come back. I said, I am never coming back. So in the back of my mind, this thing, because I've been a very stubborn person, कि ये करना है तो यही करना है, like, I don't listen to people, I don't take advice, I don't do anything like that. I know how to live my own life. So for me, it was like, घर को नहीं जाऊंगी, जितना struggle है करूंगी, अपनी कहानी बनाऊंगी, and I will make sure that my father says I am proud of you, and of course he is proud of me. So that was there in the room. He said दरवाजा खुला है, but मुझे दरवाजा नहीं खोलेगा. So the struggle became.
Awesome, yeah. I'm so proud of you, Gunjan, honestly. It's so amazing. The way you've really dealt with all that is just amazing. Also, Gunjan, so we have a comment with Juniper coming in. I'm just going to read it out to you. Beauty has so much more to do with the confidence you carry inside you. So good to see Gunjan talk candid about her struggles. Thank you, Juniper. Indeed, she's been an inspiration to all of us. Also, Gunjan, one point that I wanted to talk about was there's a lot of talk going on about mental health and how to approach people at the right time, seek help, basically seek help if you need to. Of course, an industry which has so much going on and which demands so much out of people, uh, how do you cope up? I know yoga it has been one way, but how have you been able to ensure that you keep your mental health in place? What are the other kind of activities that you do so that you don't succumb to the pressures and the struggles that you see on and off?
See, for me, it's like when you know what you want, okay, you're stuck on it. You're not listening to the outer world or whoever's trying to put you down. Obviously, depression again happens to all of us. This is my theory. I mean, I'm not a PhD in anything. If there are people who are watching, obviously, who are more learned than me. Depression, what I have heard is a lot to do with your seven body chakras. Okay, so there are some seven body chakras in the northern alignment, and it has a lot to do with past life. And in my case, that's what I found. It's a lot to do with past life, and a little bit to do with my lifestyle. Again, I'm not saying that I'm not preaching turn vegetarian. I'm not doing any of those things. But I realized since I turned vegetarian over a period of time, I was much calmer.
Okay.
Somehow it helped me in my whole process of being calm. I used to be a very, very angry person. It's not that I'm not now. But I mean, if say if I was at 100%, I've come down to say like almost a 50%, which is a big thing in my case, okay? And I have found one very big best friend. Again, I'm not preaching religion here, but my best friend is Shivji. I started chanting Om Namah Shivaya because of one of my Guruji. He just said that you feel nice, do it. Since the day I've been doing it, I actually feel so powerful that I can't tell you. And I know that I have said this to a lot of people. A lot of my friends have started meditation, anything like this, Om Namah Shivaya or whatever, you know, the meditation in their own form. And that's what has helped them become stronger and get their power. And yoga definitely helped me with that. But for me, you know, yoga is like खाना नहीं खाऊंगी चलेगा बट योगा नहीं करूंगी बिकॉज वो मेंटल हेल्थ है वो इन सारी गलत बातों को गलत चीजों को दूर रखता है व्हेन यू नो सी योर माइंड इज योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड एंड इट इज योर वर्स्ट एनिमी लाइक you have to learn how to control it and I do it by just like every time I start feeling okay something in my head is like kind of bugging me I'll be like oh Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. I do this and it just somehow disappears like when those thoughts go away so it helps me.
So Proma is saying, seriously, Gunjan, so proud of you. Thank you,
Thank
Proma.
you. Thank you so much.
Also, Gunjan, I remember the time when you were doing these promos for these jewelry companies, very famous in
Yeah, yeah.
Calcutta, and we would go across any street and we would see big hoardings, and that time
We
was
we just finished our boards. No, it was before our 12th our
exactly.
boards. I had shot for it, and yeah, I remember VC Sen Jewelers, and
Stunning
it was that
portraits
was
in amazing,
it
yeah.
was the first hoarding of my life, and oh my God, like my brother used to go to school, so he used to travel by public buses. Every day on the bus, every person knew that because there was a hoarding right outside my lane. He would say, "That's my sister." The people in the bus didn't believe him. उसने घर से एक फोटो निकाली मेरे साथ जो उसकी कोई फोटो थी वो निकाली और फिर बस में लेके गया और फिर सब लोगों को दिखाई आते वक्त भी जाते वक्त भी आई टोल्ड यू शी इज माय सिस्टर नो why you
So
feel
sweet.
that but people don't believe I'm my sister I'm like okay and now I mean for some time then he put out girlfriends also with the fact that you know his sister's an actor or whatever yeah she's done all of that also yeah
Awesome. Awesome. So, anything, Gunjan, that you would want to share with all the viewers who are here today with us in terms of anything at all? Uh, Please feel free.
learn
Also, I would also want you
learn
to share, uh, you know, one word to describe Gunjan Vijaya.
okay we'll come back to the one word in a minute all I
Yeah.
want to tell everyone out there is whatever you need, you know, everything, every question, every answer, everything is here. Just spend 10 minutes, 10 minutes with yourself. You will start unlocking your own potential. You'll not be scared. Nobody will be able to use your weaknesses against you because you will start laughing at your weaknesses like I do, okay? And don't let anyone tell you you cannot live your dream because they didn't have the power to live theirs. They will not live theirs. Please give
True.
yourself time and love yourself. Wake up in the morning and tell yourself, you're beautiful. I love you. I do that. I love myself too much. I love myself to the level of being a narcissist. So it's important. If you love yourself, only can then someone love you because people are not here sitting here to mend broken things or broken pieces. So give yourself that thing and then look for a partner or then, you know, go out there because it's
Yeah.
important. We
Yes.
all have superpowers. We are born with superpowers. We all have it. It's just about unlocking it. It's just about unlocking it.
Very well said, Gunjan.
Now,
I think, yeah, I think it is important to really understand what you truly want or associate yourself with, right? And once you are very clear in the head, it becomes very easy for you to live your life to the fullest.
like, sorry,
May
I'm
it
going
be
to cut
anything.
you.
May it be anything. Yeah.
Uh, I was always told, like, this age factor that keeps coming in, like, you know, I'm turning 35. So I was always told, अरे 30 में बच्चा हो जाना चाहिए. I'm like, मेरी जिंदगी मैं लिखूंगी. मेरी किताब किताब की ऑथर नहीं
Yeah,
हो सकती हूँ ना कोई
absolutely,
और
right?
कैसे हो
Absolutely.
मैंने जिंदगी में
Absolutely.
सुनना नहीं सीखा एंड मेरी जिंदगी में एक इंसान है वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट माय मामा जी माय गुरु जी he just told me to start believing in myself. And every time I'm stumbling, or if I feel I'm going wrong, I can just ask him, "Aisa kya hai, waisa kya hai?" He brings me back, and he is the reason why Gunjan is like this. Like, I'm so fierce, and I'm so crazy, I'm like all of that. And I don't give up. Somewhere, yeah, his push is also there. Thanks to him.
Right, right, right. And it's very important to spiritually be connected. Though, most of the times we feel that life is too short and there are too many things you've got to achieve and all that. But I think it is so important to be spiritually connected, and it can be anything. It just can be anything. Your religion, something that you truly connect with. I think that's something everyone should do and take that time out for themselves. Um, Gunjan, so one word which describes Gunjan Vijaya. I have one word, but I would want to understand your word first.
My word is a phoenix.
Phoenix.
I asso-
Awesome.
I associate with the phoenix. I have been burned down in a way, like, I have seen a lot of struggles. There are times where I've called up my mother, and I'm like, I'm packing my bags and coming home. I'm just coming home. And the next morning I picked up the phone and I'm like, मैं कहीं नहीं आ रही हूँ. वो रात को ऐसे upset थी. So for me, it's like I will not give up. तुम मुझे जितना बोलोगे तुम नहीं कर सकती, या तो मेरे लिए वो चैलेंज है बेटा, मैं तो करूंगी, मैं तो करके दिखाऊंगी, कितना ही टाइम लगे. एज डजंट मैटर, मैरिज, ब्ला ब्लू ब्ली, नथिंग मैटर्स टू मी. माय लाइफ, माय हैप्पीनेस, एंड माय डिटर्मिनेशन. And I have him. I actually believe in him so much, is where I get a lot of strength.
And that's why we love you, we adore you, and we always want you to be just how you are.
Thank
And
you.
Gunjan, for me, the word is fearless. Whenever I think about Gunjan Vijaya, and it has always been
Oh,
like that, it has been fearless. Yes, you've been a embodiment of being fearless, and and also another word is a very very true friend. And I know how close you
thank
are to your friends, your dear friends, us also, even though we don't talk, but we pick up from the time we've left. So you've always been that to us, and we don't want you to change one bit. And I'm sure
you. Don't
there's
worry, I'm not.
lots and lots of success that is waiting for you. And you are on the right way, and if you are truly connected with yourself, nobody can stop you. There's a comment which has just come in from our team. Says that so right, our truth is always inside our heart. All we need to do is spend some time knowing your own self. True.
Yes, very,
uh,
very
Gunjan,
important.
anything that you would like to share with the Theascape team? We've just ventured out. It's just a very new venture. It's been around nine or so months that we've started off and given it a very organized structure now. So, would you like to share a few words for the Theascape team?
Firstly, I am super duper proud of all of you. I have been following your work, and I've been following what you've been doing. So, for me, I mean, we know each other since school and all, so I know where you guys are coming from and all of that. And everybody who takes a chance in life, I have a lot of respect for those people, because I know you're self-made. I know where you're coming from. I mean, classmates reh chuke hain.
That's why I
So,
think we
and
connect
those
because
days,
we all are self-made in our own ways. We've made ourselves. That's why I
yeah,
connect
and
with you, Gunjan, and I understand where you're coming from. Every time you share that, okay, I'm going to shut this off. I'm just going to focus on my goal, and you call yourself narcissist, but I believe it's not narcissism. It is more about
I have my friends who call
truly
me
truly
narcissistic, so it's
focusing on what you
okay.
want. No, truly focusing on what you want. It's not easy. It is so easy to digress in today's world. It is so easy to um, just give up and just say ये मुझसे नहीं होने वाला, and just stick to your bed, your Netflix, and that's it. It's very easy. uh, but being strong headed and being focused, I truly get where you come from, Gunjan, honestly.
and you women are trying to uplift other women. People say women empowerment, फोटो डाल दो, ये कर दो, वो कर दो, कोई किसी का कुछ नहीं कर रहा है यहाँ पे. आप आपकी टीम और आप लोग कर रहे हो. I've been following the interviews, I've been following your work, we've been speaking like on a regular basis that way. So yes, it makes me very very proud. You know, here we are trying to build a world where we can coexist. Yeah, we
Exactly.
can help each other.
Absolutely.
And
Absolutely, Gunjan.
you know what, for me, Divya, in life now, I do not want to be this person who has this makeup and how, okay, bus post fake things or post fake pictures. No, I
Yeah.
want people to connect with reality. So that's what you're making people do by talking, like, you know, to women like us and your other friends. Everybody's going to come out with some stories, and we don't know whose life will actually change. And the world will become a better place because it is our job to make it a better place instead of just saying, ye kharab hai.
Absolutely. 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 And
So
I've
again, coming
always
back
felt
to
that,
from here,
yeah, yeah. Go
start
ahead, go
from
ahead.
here. I started from here. I started from here. And I think that is why there are people who love me and they were like, oh my God, you are something. It makes me, it pushes me to do better for myself. But yeah, to change the world, I have to change myself. And I have done that. I mean, there is obviously a long way to go. I have to change a million things more in myself, but I will do it. I will do it.
So there's another comment which is just coming from Aparna Nair, and she says, you are both inspiration and aspirational. Thank you so much, Aparna. And I'm just truly humbled because it's just something which comes very naturally to us. And in fact, it's true for Mikhala and Surbi as well. We feel that, and there are so many
Sorry, one
occasions.
second.
Yeah,
Meghala,
sure.
I love all your sarees. Please send me all of them.
Mac, note for you,
Meghala, I
please
love all
note.
your, and you have to send me all the jewelry.
This one also is something made by her. So I absolutely adore her work. So, and we all believe, and of course, you would also believe in that is whenever a woman has helped women, great things have happened. Uh, there are a lot of times that,
We
you
are
are
born
kind
with
of
superpowers. We are born with
we are born with
superpowers. We
superpowers,
give
and
birth.
you are
We
a
give
lot of
birth.
times you are said
You
that
wake up,
okay.
you sleep, you educate your children, you feed them, they do susu potty, you don't sleep, you still go and cook, you pair dabao saas sasur, you run a house, you still don't go mad. We are born with superpowers. So when we have superpowers, is
Absolutely.
agar tera power kam ho raha hai, I'll give you that power. I don't want to chino that power. Please take my power and get energized. We can
Absolutely.
only live
Absolutely.
happily if we start thinking like that.
Yeah.
I mean,
And
I've done it.
a lot of times you are kind of told that okay, there's a lot of jealousy between women. Women don't want to see other women grow and all that. But honestly, all three of us have this very clear in our heads that we are there to support anybody, and we want other women to really also kind of prosper. And we celebrate it actually. Every time I see anybody doing great work, I actually feel so good. And I
I'm the
think this
first
is the
person to
time
ask
that
them to send me a link or send me something. I'll start posting it on my story. Anyone doing any work, I mean, give. I'll put it on my story. You'll get work. Give.
yeah,
It
absolutely.
comes naturally to me because we need to help each other. We
Each
really need
other,
to.
exactly, absolutely. I'm so glad that we could have this conversation today, and
I'm glad you
um,
called me. I'm glad you wanted me on this. Hi,
okay,
Divya.
just
Can
just need to sharing. Hi Divya, just wanted to share my one word for Gunjan, and that's candid. Yes, that is candid.
I thought she meant Jalli. I
I
thought she
agree,
meant
Jasmeet.
Jalli.
Absolutely candid.
Yeah.
Aparna says the world needs more women like you now more than ever. I agree, Aparna. I totally, totally agree. And we are trying to do our bit. And
We
we
all
would
will we
want
all will become that together, right? That's why we are doing this.
together,
This is
together.
exactly why we're
Absolutely.
doing this.
And today I thought, it's time to really celebrate a woman who's self-made, who decided the path that she wants to take at 16. Okay, she stood by it. She ensured that she's living her dreams. She did all that, and look at her, how happy and content she is. And this is a story. I love your story, Gunjan. And inspirational in so many levels. It's so inspirational in so many levels, and I think a lot of other future generation also, our nieces, people in our families, and also others who are coming up now, they would have so much to learn from this. And I really thought that, through our conversation, at least we can share your story, and I'm sure many other instances we can showcase what you've really made out of your life and what you are planning to do even now. And you're not giving up. You are saying, I'm here, man. I'm gonna do it.
I am settled in Mumbai. I ain't going anywhere. And if I meet a man also, he's gonna settle here too. I ain't going anywhere. Not happy. I
Awesome.
love this city too much. I love this city. So yeah. I
Awesome.
mean,
Awesome.
can't.
So, is it confidential, or can you share a little bit about something that you're looking forward to doing now, in the near future, after COVID, of course?
I'm looking forward to. I'm looking forward to watching this. Please get me some work.
Guys,
I'm
I
currently
mean,
jogging.
whoever is watching, whoever can give this woman some work,
Model, shorty, very
please
nice
do,
neck
and you
jewelry,
will not
woolery, सब
regret it.
मिलेगा. Nice things on my show. तुम लोग भी साड़ी वाड़ी दे देना. Modeling, anchoring, acting, and now I can become a Masi nanny also, bros. All of you all have kids. That's another job I think I should be looking at. I'll earn more money through that at the
You're
moment. Honestly, that I'll be very honest. I'm not going to say, oh, there's something in the pipeline. There's nothing in the
okay.
pipeline. I'm just
Okay.
I'm just
That-
auditioning. I'm calling up people. I'm doing what I need to do, and yeah, I'm hopeful that he's going to
yes,
realize
yes,
I need to start
absolutely.
working. So give me also. So
That's
yeah.
great, Gunjan. That's awesome. I mean, there's a whole lot of gratitude, compassion, and inspiration. I think, it takes a lot of courage to even say that, भैया मेरे पास कोई काम नहीं है और मुझे काम दे दो. Takes a lot of courage, and I'm so proud of you, Gunjan. There's a lot of, I think we are blessed to have you in our lives, have you as a friend, as a woman
And that
who,
means a lot
uh,
to me.
just stay as you are, dude. Just be
I
yourself, and I'm
hate
sure
changing. Don't worry.
you're going to get amazing things happening in your life. I'm sure a lot of work is going to come, and this phase is going to kind of end very soon. And from
They
the
say na,
entire team of
chinta,
yeah.
they say चिंता चिता तक ले जाती है और चिता का something है, okay? So why I don't want to die, I don't want to be on that pyre, I want to live, bro. No stress. जो होना है वो होना है. मैंने बहुत प्लानिंग करी थी, हाँ मैं 23 में शादी कर लूंगी, ये कर लूंगी, वो कर जो होना है वो हो रहा है. होने दो ना, ठीक है. You are given this life to be happy without work, without partner, without money, without traveling, because you have to find happiness inside, and I found that. So बाकी चीजें will happen. It's not going to go anywhere.
Super.
It has to come.
Super. So, my Phoenix, thank you so much for again coming on, our session, Women Empower Women series,
Yes.
and we
It
are
was a
always
wonderful
going to
session.
be grateful to you.
What you'll be what?
I'll be grateful to you.
I think I have to block you now. Friends are not supposed to be grateful at all, like, no, all this doesn't work. I'm going to pick up the phone tomorrow and say, Divya, I need this. No grateful business and all with any of my school friends. Yeah, don't be formal, please. I don't like thank yous
No,
with
no,
my
no.
friends,
This
really.
is just from the heart, Gunjan, and thank you for sharing your story. It is not easy for
बैंगलोर आऊंगी ना, बैंगलोर आऊंगी तो बियर पिला देना, ग्रेटिट्यूड हो जाएगा, टेंशन.
beer it is. And it is not easy to speak your story out, and the way that you have shared with us. And Mikhala says that Gunjan, it was an amazing hour spent. It's so refreshing to see that you are still so humble, candid, and positive. Proud of you, girl.
Thank you.
I totally agree, Mac.
Thank
Yeah, everything that you said just is spot on. She's been amazing.
Thank
And
you.
thank you so much, Gunjan. This brings us to the end of our conversation. And if there are any questions for Gunjan, please leave it in our comments. For the viewers, please leave it in the comment section and we will get back with an answer from Gunjan. This was our
Yes.
first live with her, and I'm sure this is not the last. We will
This
have her
was my
back.
first live ever, and only for, can I call you the name that I call you in school? Can I say that?
Yes, please.
Dibba! I
Dippa!
lovingly call her Dibba. All of us call her Dibba. So this is only and only for my Dibba and the entire Theascape team. And I'm so glad I did it. I'm so glad I did it.
Yes.
I love you. I love you so much, and I can't wait to like come and meet you like personally and give you that chappi.
Ekdam yaar, ekdam. Let this COVID and all this go on. We'll definitely catch up. Thank you so
And
much. And
all the school friends who've attended this, don't worry. When I'm getting married, all of you need to come for my wedding. It's going to be more
yes,
fun,
we
yeah.
definitely are
Emotionally,
crashing it. We
don't crash it.
definitely
I'll
are
invite you all.
crashing it
Don't
whenever
invite
it's
you all.
happening.
Once first, let me find. If I give something like this, I mean, people will start assuming I have a boy, which is he's nowhere to be found. I don't know where he is. So yeah.
Thank you, Gunjan. See you very soon.
Okay, darling.
Lots of
See you.
love to you.
All
Yes.
the
Bye
best to you guys. Keep
bye.
it up. All the best.
Absolutely.
Love you. Bye.